Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today I'm here with another tutorial video on how to switch back to a personal Instagram account. So for that, open up your Instagram account and go to your profile, and on the upper right corner you have these three lines. Click on that and go to settings, and here go to accounts and scroll the way down, and on the bottom side you have this option which says switch account type. Click on that, and here it is asking you for to switch to business account or to personal account. So if you want to switch to a business account, click on that, but here we are switching to a personal account. It is saying that when you switch back to a personal account, in-app insights will be turned off and insights from all your content, including your ads, will be permanently removed. So if you want to do all that, click on that switch to personal account, and there you go guys, switching to your personal account was that easy. And if you have any questions regarding this video, feel free to comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.